here. Joined Wenger Watson from last 2 months. Very happy to be a Watsonite. My interview process with Wenger Watson was really good, meeting persons like Srinivas, Darshan and Nitin. So the interview process was too long, tough, but really I enjoyed it very much because every time what happens was everywhere, wherever you go for an interview, it happens so that you have to wait for a very long time. Though we waited here for a long time, the process of the interviews were really different and we didn't know how fast the interview process got over. And it was really very tough for me, but still I made my effort to get through. So that's how was the interview process. And what made me to apply Wenger Watson was I was knowing about Wenger Watson since very long back from my consulting background. I'm into this consulting background from last 4 years. I've heard about Wenger Watson a lot. So I've heard about Harish achievements and how they have grown up and all that. So being a consulting firm, and also heard that they're being one of the top recruitment firm in 2014. So it excited me to attend the interview, and also excited me after seeing the people and the interview process here. So saying about the learning things in Wenger Watson, what I'm enjoying from last 2 months is really good, because you don't get that pace anywhere, where a person comes and teaches you whatever you want. So learning curve is very important for a person where he has to grow into the industry. I thought that since I got an exposure into the non-IT, there will be no exposure into IT. That is what was my feeling was. But after that I met Nitin and expressed my feeling that I want to get into IT. That's something that made me interesting, because they did not have any second thought. They just said, okay, fine, you can get into. So these kind of things are very important for a person into recruitment, to prove themselves. So proving your talent at Wenger Watson is easier than anywhere else. So about the job role, what I like to do is, all that I like to do is IC, because I enjoy doing IC. IC involves everything, so you can be an independent resourcer for Wenger Watson or anywhere in a consulting firm that you go. So I enjoy IC a lot. And the culture of Wenger Watson is really good. I felt it's a very friendly environment. They have a lot of get-togethers, they have a lot of occasions, they have a lot of things happening here, which makes us, well and good. So it is compressed, but still, you have good people here, which makes you always come and work in a happy environment. And we all work as a family at Watsonite. So happy to be one of the members at Watsonite family.